Julia Montes nagpa-general cleaning sa bahay nila ni Coco Martin.
Hi everyone! It's cleaning time again here in our house. Actually, 4 months ago, Ninja Maid was here to clean our humble home. Pero last week, we had a minor renovation in our room because there was a leak. Thank you so much, Dia Sprats, for fixing. Thank you so much, Ninja Maid, for cleaning. I'm gonna show you on how they clean our room. As you can see, there are cabinets na binubuksan talaga nila kasi may mga pumapasok na mga dust. Yung mga perfume ko, yan, nasa floor, and then they made sure na kahit wala talagang dust na titira. You can see, pati yung mga foam, tinanggal talaga nilang yung plastic kasi we made sure to cover it with plastic. But unfortunately, may mga dust talaga pumapasok talaga sa cabinet. So ngayon, major cleaning talaga even in our cabinet. Inisip ko, instead of me and my angels are gonna clean it, I call the experts, and Ninja Maid is really expert on those mga kasulok-sulukan and hard to reach areas. Lilinisin talaga nila yan. They wipe it and then they vacuum it, and then they have this special solution also na natatanggal talaga kahit years na rin nandyan sa wall, natatanggal talaga nila. Amazing. Safe siya. All of their mga staff, na-swab din sila.
Kayo ba ay mahilig sa mga ganitong klaseng videos kung saan nagbibigay kami ng update sa inyong mga iniidolong artista na sina Coco Martin at Julia Montes? Ay huwag kalimutang mag-follow sa ating Facebook page, mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, mag-comment, mag-like, and mag-share.